007.
Stay calm.
You'll be dead within 2 minutes unless you do exactly what I tell you.
I'm all ears.
Remove the defibrillator from the pouch. Attach the leads to your chest.
Bond.
Don't push the red button yet.
Do you hear me?
Take the blue combi pen, Bond. Mid-neck. You're going to pass out in a few seconds. Push the red button now, Bond. Do it now!